Today, we're going to be experiencing the beauty of a walking mindfulness meditation. If you're new to me, my name is Michelle Pava. I'm a licensed psychotherapist. Now, I love mindful walking because honestly, I don't get to do it a whole lot, and I bet you don't either. You know why? Because usually when we get up to walk somewhere, we're either going for a walk just to have some kind of fitness or fresh air, or we're getting from A to B. We need to go somewhere. We often don't just walk slowly around our home or slowly outside solely for the purpose of getting in touch with our inner selves and basically connecting with the earth. And you might feel more connected to earth when you take a walk, but it's probably not the sole purpose of your walk. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And the other thing that I want to bring up here is that when we are doing a mindful walking meditation, it is very much like dance, in that we are choreographing each and every step. Now, for years and years, over 20 years, I owned a dance studio. I was a choreographer for television, and I have always loved movement. So for me, walking meditations are really beautiful. Now, if you're more of a sitting meditation person, that's fine. But you know what? In our daily lives, we often don't have access to a meditation cushion or to be able to tune everything out and to be able to have special music and a special candle or a special oils or special different chakra stones or seashells or whatever it is that we need around us. We don't always have access to that, but we almost always have access to being able to get up and walk. Now, if you are someone who can't get up and walk, I want you just to close your eyes and to imagine yourself walking as you're doing this. So sometimes imagining something, visualizing it, can be just as good, if not better, than actually doing it. So let's talk about what we're going to be doing. We're going to be softening the knees as we stand and softening the shoulders. So go ahead and do that or visualize that. And as you do that, I want you to get ready for some self massage. We're not going to dive right into the walk yet. So, with your hands, go ahead and massage the shoulders, maybe the scalp, go gently around your face, even just lightly touch your face. Get really connected to your body. Massage your thighs. If you have shoes on, please take them off. We don't need them right now. I just want you to walk in your home. So as you are taking your shoes off, or if they're already off, massage the soles of each foot. And just enjoy that little quick self-massage. And so now what I want you to do is, if you've been sitting doing the self-massage, stand back up again. And I want you just to focus on some harmonious breathing, keeping the knees soft, keeping the shoulders soft, lengthening the neck and relaxing the face, and even putting a gentle smile upon your face. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the right heel in front of you, and then the right arch is going to slowly go down, right toes to the ground, pushing off through the toes. Feel the stretch in your foot. Feel yourself propel forward as you gently and naturally bring the left foot forward. Heel goes to the ground, left arch goes to the ground, left toes push off, and it's that slow. You're taking slow steps throughout the home. I want you to start with just maybe 10 steps, very mindful. Then I want you to work up to about 10 minutes. When you can walk gently and intentionally through your home for about 10 minutes, and you continue to focus on bringing your mind back to your body and what it feels like to just take steps. Then you can start to maybe take some walks outside if that's comfortable for you. But for now, just focus on that walking meditation and just imagine that every single step you take, you're putting a footprint into the earth and honoring not only the earth but yourself, honoring your harmonious breathing, connecting the mind and the body together, getting into the here and now. And if your mind starts to wander, or as you're walking around your house, you're thinking, oh, I should clean this or I should do this, bring yourself back to your mindful movement. So, what we're going to do is do 5 steps together, and then you can add 5 steps on your own and tweak it as you wish. But the first 5 steps are going to be very focused. So, you're going to stand with the soft shoulders, soft hips, soft knees. Take the right foot and just put the heel on the ground in front of you. Bring the arch down slowly, stretching the foot. Allow the toe to roll through, push off, and hold. Don't bring the left foot up yet. Bring your hands to prayer position, center. Inhale, exhale, harmonious breathing. Bring the arms back down to the sides. Now the left foot is going to go in front and heel, arch, toe. Stop right there, harmonious breathing. Right foot, heel, arch, toe, harmonious breathing. Hands come back down to the sides. Left foot, heel, arch, toe. Stop, harmonious breathing. Hands back down to the sides. Right foot, heel, arch, toe. Harmonious breathing. And then you decide how you want to tweak this. If you want to continue going like that, if you want to keep your hands at heart center, if you want your hands down in your side, do 5 more steps on your own. Remember that you are an artist creating your mind-body connection, your health, and your happiness.